friendship, tribe, community. These are all things that we really need to be nourishing and strengthening right now. 2020 has the theme of separation. We're all wearing masks, we're afraid to touch each other, we're not gathering in large groups. Not to mention the election has also done its toll on separating people. So the whole year, there's just been this disconnect with humans. And so right now, I really encourage you to really strengthen your friendships, your community, and your tribe in the best ways you know how, in the most creative ways you know how. So things that I really enjoy doing is sending out a random postcard to a friend, or a little package, a love package of random little goodies, and just send it out to somebody when they don't expect it. It's not their birthday, it's not a holiday, it's a random love package. Or just sending a text message to somebody whom you may not have spoken with in a while. Or sending a text message or a message to somebody who you do speak with often, but really from the heart, sending them that really intense message of love, of wow, I just want you to know I really appreciate you, and I'm not sure if I've really expressed that to you lately. Really nourishing our friendships and really keeping our connection strong is really imperative at this time. We need to keep the network strong and not separate ourselves from our heart chakras. So sending out a random package, a letter, a text message, or just picking up the phone and calling somebody can do wonders. So I really encourage you right now, especially since Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the holidays are coming, and a lot of us might not be spending time with our family. A lot of people might be, have different plans this year than normal. And because of that, because we might not be engaging with people that we normally do, it's really really important to keep those connections nourished, even if you're not face to face with them, literally. So go ahead and call your grandma, call your high school best friend, call your college roommate. Keep those connections strong and just let people know that you care about them and that you're thinking about them. And that way, when everybody is doing this and our heart chakras are being vibrating, or we're vibrating them throughout, then think about how that connects with everybody else. People pay it forward. So I hope this encourages you to just go ahead and send somebody a message and just keep yourself in the love space rather than the fear space. Namaste and love to you.